This is a good one. This is a really good one. Look at the camera, Laura. Explanation, please?
I don't know why it looks like a red ball of light.
With wings.
It looks angry.
The only thing somebody could tell me is that it's coming into our atmosphere from outer space. That was the only thing that would make sense. Because that's what rockets do.
Well, no, it looks really dark.
Can you get the laptop? Flight radar. Please.
You went trippy? It doesn't show that there's anything in the sky.
Pass it.
There's nothing. Nothing there.
Okay, hold on.
Where'd the other one go? Oh, I see it.
Okay, we're located right here. Kennedy, Shepherd.
Absolutely.
We're gonna look to the north. There's nothing in the sky.
Nothing.
Nothing. Flight radar. Timing.
That's crazy.
One turn, there's one turn and another one came right behind it. Do you want to know? All you have to do is ask. The direction that they're coming from. No, I'm serious. That's where they are. The hills over there. I'm sure you've heard me say that before. The electrical towers? That's how I know you think I'm a crazy nut, because you don't listen to
I
me.
don't think you're a crazy
You don't listen to me.
nut. I do listen to you. Yeah, the electrical towers. You mentioned that many times.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Having a
No, you're not. What are you doing,
You
man?
ate a whole one.
What the fuck?
I'm not eating. Babe,